Yo guys, it's Destiny here. Welcome back to the channel Destiny the Dev, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple blog template using AI. Remember to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. First of all, we are going to open Grok, then create a new folder on our desktop. Then we name it blog. Then we are going to open it in our Visual Studio Code. So here is what we are going to prompt. Build a blog website using Reactjs and Typescript. Also Yarn. Yarn is my best package manager. I don't like NPM. I prefer Yarn. I'm telling it to build it from scratch, that I am a beginner, so that it's going to build it from the foundation. Yes, it saves more time. That is what a lot of people don't know. This is 2025. You have to be using AI. If you're not using AI, I don't know what you are using. You have to learn how to use AI, because AI is likely to replace our jobs, we as developers. So we're going to start it. Yes. Okay, let's build a simple blog website from scratch using React.js, TypeScript and Yarn. It's going to guide us on the step-by-step procedure. So we have to make sure that Node.js and Yarn is already installed and all this thing. So we are going to start using this command. We are going to run it on our terminal. Remember this, we are inside the blog folder. If you're a beginner, I'll also make a tutorial how to install this stuff. Oh, I've done that already. It's already in my channel. Check out my other videos if you're a beginner. So we are going to open a new terminal. Then we are going to paste the command. I don't know if you guys can see that, because I think my camera is blocked. My camera is blocking. Okay. Then enter. It's creating the package. And now it's done. So we're already in the directory of where the blog is. Okay, now we are going to enter the my blog directory. Redirectory my blog. Then we are going to start the app by using yarn start. So it's going to start on our browser. So while it's starting, let's continue what we are doing. So in the src folder we have app.csx already. So we are going to replace whatever is in here with what is in here. We have done that. Save. Index.tsx. Save. And we are going to run this command to create multiple home pages. And we are going to create a new terminal. Meanwhile, while that is happening, let's update our app.csx. Okay, so we have to create the blog data. Is in the folder src data. So we have to create the data folder under src. Inside data folder, we are going to create post.cs. And we are going to add our code here and save that. We are in step 5 already. Remember to like and subscribe to support the channel. So we are to build the blog list page. We are going to update the blog list component in app.tsx to display the list of posts. We are going to copy this, then replace the app.tsx with it. Okay, now we'll use the use params hook to get the post ID from the URL and display the post. We're going to update the blog component. Once again, we're going to copy and paste. You see, this is much easier. It's much easier to copy and paste than to write code from scratch. This is 2025. If you're not using AI, I don't know whatever you're using. You have to use AI. This is 2025. Okay, we are going to style it. We are going to replace the index.css here with whatever is here. So copy and paste. This is much easier. I prefer this than writing code from scratch. Like and subscribe to support the channel. Then replace the index.tsx with this. Then on the home page, we are going to update the home page with the update home component to something more meaningful. So first of all, we'll save this. We have a little error here, so I think I'll add a dot here that will fix that, but I don't know why we have that error. The data post. So currently this is what the website looks like. This is the basic website. So this is what it looks like. It's very ugly. So let's continue. First of all, we have to debug the error with AI. So we have to refresh this page, then copy the error. It's much simpler. You don't need to go to Stack Overflow to debug any stuff. So we're going to debug it, and in no time it's going to give the solutions to the answer. So it's going to give us what we should replace. So update post.ts. In data we have post.ts, then we are going to update it with the new code here, and we're going to save it. Then update app.tsx. Now we have 4 errors. We have to debug this also. So we will debug it by okay, we have debugged that. So save, and this is our output. You can see this is very ugly and we don't want this, so we are going to prompt more. And if you can notice, I'm using Super Grok and Grok 3. Grok 3 is the smartest model of Grok AI. I'm using Super Grok, so it is actually a paid version. It's actually a paid version. So this is what it looks like. Home blog. So it's time to style it. I prefer using Bootstrap as my CSS. So let's migrate from normal CSS to Bootstrap. So we are going to prompt style it using properly with Bootstrap. So we are going to use this command to add Bootstrap to our project. We are going to copy and paste as usual. We are also going to add this command. We're going to add this command. You are going to run this command into my blog folder. So we have added the Bootstrap. Remember, we are working inside my blog folder. I think I made a mistake here. I was not inside my blog folder. Take note of that. I made a mistake. Mistakes happen, yes. So I've corrected myself and I have run this command inside to my blog folder. So I've also run the bootstrap command. So we are going to open src then index.csx. We're going to replace it with this new code, then app.tsx with bootstrap styling. Let's replace the index.css with only this. Because we don't need it anymore. In the app.tsx, we always have this error. I don't know why. Okay, you can see our blog is coming to life. That is, so it has a hamburger menu. Yes, what you are going to replace. Then welcome to my blog. So this is an upgraded version of the previous version. So we are going to prompt in Grok. Let Grok add some posts. It's going to add 10 posts in our blog based on latest news. So it's actually searching from some news websites. Okay, we are going to update the post.ts. In our data post.ts, we are going to replace everything there with this, and we are going to save it. We are going to replace our app.tsx with this. Then as usual, we keep debugging this error. I don't know why. And we are going to save it to see what it looks like. Okay, we are not seeing it on the home page, but we want to see it on the home page. So it's telling us to visit /blog to see the tempos displayed in responsive grid. Let's visit that. You can see how nice that is. So we are going to move it to our home. So let's move it to our home. We are going to move everything to our home. So we are going to see it in our home. So we are going to replace the app.tsx with whatever is going to give us. App.tsx, we are going to paste the new code, then as usual okay, so you can see how nice it is. Very nice blogging website. Let's add the name to our blog. We are going to make the name of the blog Destiny News. We are going to copy this, then replace everything here so we don't get that error we always get. So we are going to save it. You can see the name is changed, but our blog still looks plain, kind of plain. We have to style it to look more lively. Here's what the blog looks like. Boom, this is our home. We're already in our home. Archive. So this is what a basic blog looks like. So I'm going to end here. If you want a part 2, like and subscribe and comment part 2.